Hi and welcome to MIA Platform v10 Video Pills. Today we will see how to use MongoDB Views on MIA Platform Console. With MIA Platform Console and MongoDB Views you can benefit from queryable objects whose content is defined by an aggregation pipeline. Using them will result in cleaner code, easy data querying, and better performance. Before starting, if you plan to perform complex aggregations with many collections involved or with different amounts of documents per request, you may consider using MIA Platform Fast Data. So, let's get started. Imagine that you are a food delivery pizzeria and you have some orders to analyze. The aggregation provided by MongoDB Views may help you. Let's start with creating orders. In MIA Platform Console, go to the Design section and create a new CRUD. Let's call it Orders. As you can see, we have different fields. Let's add a new one. This will be the field where we will specify the name of our pizzas. We indicate the type of CRUD, properties, and press Create. Let's add a new CRUD used to indicate the size of the pizzas our customers can buy. As you can see, we don't check required, so it will be not a mandatory field. Create another field called Price. It will indicate the pricing of our products. Compared to before, this field will be mandatory, but we selected number in the type field. Let's continue creating a quantity field. Just set number in the type selection, check the required voice in the properties, and click on the Create button. At last, we generate a field called With Drinks, a required Boolean type CRUD. Once we've created all the field, we can create the endpoint to expose these assets. We will call them orders. We select the CRUD type and pick the base path named orders. Now, just create and save the configuration by clicking Save here on the navigation bar. It's finally time to deploy. We like to use the shortcut to go to the section, so click on the rocket icon, and there we go. Before deploying, make sure that is the correct branch. If it is all good, press the button. Once we have deployed the project, go to the API's documentation to check how it works. Let's try to post some order. For example, we can try with an order with pepperoni pizza. Small size. Price $10. Quantity 1. With drink. Maybe a different type, such as a spicy one. Now, let's check all the pizzas in our order. There they are. Now, let's come back on the design area and go to the MongoDB Views section. Add a new one that we will call With Drink by using Order Collection. Create it and start to define the element that we want in the MongoDB Views by pressing the Add Field button. In this case, we insert the name of the pizza, which is a mandatory string, and the total price field, still a mandatory field. Finally, it's time to work on the aggregation. The result we want to achieve is to aggregate by name only the pizzas purchased with at least one drink, and from each of them extrapolate the price, and then sum them. So let's start filtering only pizzas purchased with at least one drink. Once this is done, we group the pizzas by name and extrapolate the prices to sum them in the total price property. Now, we want to sort our output by using the prices property. In this case, we will display them in descending order. We close our snippet by providing the reference to make the aggregation work. Using the project property, we specify the fields to be saved in the collection. ID and total price are taken from the previous pipeline step, specifying one as the value. At the end, we add state with the value public to allow access to the endpoints. Now, let's go to expose our endpoint. Click on the Endpoint section and create a new endpoint. Name it Filtered, choose MongoDB View type and link it to the With Drink base path. Create it and save the project. Deploy this new configuration and let's see what has been released. Let's check our final output. As you can see, all the data are correctly aggregated and exposed. MongoDB Views enables improved data usage in terms of privacy, performance optimization, code reuse, and analytics. Try them out with MIA Platform v10, generally available on October 20th.